Life Reset is where small daily habits turn into long-term change. This section helps you build routines, track your progress, and over time, discover which habits seem to have the biggest impact on your mood and energy. Let's start with the weekly habit tracker. Your habits for the week are listed here. The planner includes a few examples to help you get started, but these are completely customizable. If there's a habit you don't want, simply click the X to remove it. To add your own, type it into the box at the bottom and click Add. You can also rearrange your habits at any time by dragging them using the handle on the left, so they're always in the order that works best for you. Each day, simply click the circle when you complete a habit. As you check them off throughout the week, you'll begin to build a visual picture of your progress. Below the tracker, you'll also see your weekly completion percentage, the total number of habits you've completed, and an encouraging message based on your progress for the week. On the right is your streak column. As you consistently complete a habit each day, your streak grows, making it easy to see which habits are becoming lasting routines. Rather than focusing on perfection, the goal is simply to build consistency over time. As you continue using the planner, the information from your habits combines with your daily mood and energy check-ins to create your personal insights. The chart lets you view trends over the last 7 days, 30 days, 3 months, or 6 months. The orange line represents your habit completion, while the purple and green markers represent your mood and energy check-ins, which are completed each day from the homepage. Together, they help you notice patterns that might otherwise go unnoticed. For example, you may discover that your mood tends to improve on weeks when you're more consistent with exercise, gratitude journaling, or getting enough water. Over time, these patterns become much more meaningful because they're based on your own daily habits. Below the chart, the planner summarizes patterns it notices. For example, it may highlight recent consistency, showing how many of the last 7 days you completed your habits. As you continue tracking over weeks and months, this section becomes increasingly personalized, helping you recognize the routines that seem to support your well-being. Life Reset isn't about being perfect. It's about making small, manageable improvements each day and giving yourself a simple way to see how those daily choices add up over time.